Soak chickpeas overnight. 4 tomatoes, 2 medium-sized onion, garlic 6 cloves, ginger 1 inch piece, red chili powder 1 tablespoon, salt 1 tablespoon, allspice powder 1 tablespoon, turmeric 1 teaspoon, coriander powder 1 tablespoon, cumin seeds 1 tablespoon. Take a pressure cooker, add chickpeas, 2 cup, tomatoes 4, onion 2 medium, allspice, add in. After add in allspice, 3 cup water, and pressure cooker. Pressure for 10 minutes. Add 2 potatoes, release pressure, 3 green chilies and coriander leaves. 10 minutes. Add 3 green chilies, add coriander leaves, simmer 10 minutes. Chickpeas and potato ready to eat. Serve it naan and chapatis. Healthy and yummy dish ready to eat.